here we go into the closing bell. I got to get ready for the earnings season, MMTs, but I want to point out this new 52-week lows that are on the indexes. This is all the Nasdaq comp and the big haircut that's here. So I'm also going to go to the NYSE on listed stocks, and basically what I'm going to point out here today is on the primary session, same thing is, let's take a look at the intraday low count. This is the intraday low count. We said there was a correction. It's here. You can see this intraday low count. You can see it's all the commodities. You can see it's the oil stocks. You can see it's the copper. You can see it's the metals. You can see it's the silvers. And you can see that the earnings on some of these stocks that are getting pounded now are going to be buyable once the selling's over. IBM is in here today getting a haircut. So it's broad-based low-count selling on the New York Stock Exchange. We showed some 52-week lows. The low count of the day is really outpacing the gainers, my friends. Another thing that I'd like to be really mindful of is the intraday low count on the Nasdaq. Let's give it time to populate. Intraday low count. Now, on the Nasdaq comp, intraday low count, look at the names in here. WFMI reported a great earnings. It was sold in the gap. This is what happens with overbought indexes and overbought names. Even the good earners are getting haircuts. And the earnings season was a good earnings season. I don't have a problem with it. And I told people that they were. You got Apple down here. So the intraday low count versus the intraday high count. We have some that are over here that are people buying in the retail sector because oil's coming down, so they're going to the retail sector. And you can see some of the gains on the high count happen to be restaurant stocks, happen to be trucking stocks. It's a diversification, but we do have some good things going on. So the low count is still outpacing the high count. Nasdaq, New York Stock Exchange. Once again, intraday low count here on the NYSE is all of those bids that were bid up over the last 4 months and all of the stuff about the Middle East, and everyone got crowded. And the thing about it is there's margin debt selling. Correction is proven correct. There's good buying opportunities in here. We'll be looking for them.